Okay, Recon's video on Friday, the 2nd of July 2021, just coming up to 1:25 p.m. Chicago time. Do hope you are doing well. So this video, I'm going to talk about gold and silver, but before doing that, just to say we've got this little exponential push to the upside, and one of the contributors to that is seasonality, stock market seasonality. I'll put a link in the description below this video to the seasonality indicator on the Emini-Watch website. Some work that was done quite some time ago, but identified 5 little seasonal trades that are usually pretty reliable. And we're in the middle of the third one, 4th of July, strength from late June until after the 4th of July, driven by bullish holiday spirit. Approximate dates, 1st July to the 8th of July. So, we've had this, melt up in the stock market, and just, over the last couple of days, we've just turned a little bit exponential here. This is the 4,500 tip bar chart. This is the activity today. We're up 43.40. So a week or so ago, we had kind of setups to kind of go short, and they never kind of worked out. We had blue professional bars kind of step in here, and the uptrend kind of returned to the tune of about, well, that's 100 points. So that's unbelievable. I've been staying away from the mini just lately because the range has been tight and the volume's been off. But, geez, I don't know, missed out on that one. But been doing plenty of other stuff. So let's talk about some other charts. First of all, coffee. Took profits on the coffee trade because we had a whole bunch of blue professional bars come in here above 162. So we'd had exhaustion buying, bearish divergence. We started to weaken. We come back up, bang, and the professionals get out there. And we've sold off pretty hard since then. Let's see if coffee sets up for a nice kind of re-entry short this time, but out of coffee for the time being. And instead flipped into gold and silver. So gold and silver, I've been talking about this setting up over the last week or so, saying wait for the blue professional bars, wait for everything to kind of come together, and that's what we had today. So there's our exhaustion sell, bullish divergence comes in, blue professional bars at the lows, and then we get cyclically, we are oversold. That's what the red background means. Better sine wave is showing us all kinds of oversold activity. So we're just waiting for a break above the blue professional bars to make sure that we have a real kind of change in trend. And that's what we got with today's activity. Bang, break into an uptrend. We had strength the last couple of days, but this is kind of a nice kind of entry here. Sold off a little bit to 1780, and now we're back up. 1800 will be a kind of a key psychological level. So let's see if we get all kinds of news when gold kind of breaks 1800 and the gold bugs kind of get really excited again. Similar thing happening on the silver chart, but not as pretty a pattern. We definitely got kind of a signal a few days ago there. Blue professional bars at the lows, pushing in a couple of spikes down, didn't go anywhere. So we broke into an uptrend here, and this signal to go long is based on that exhaustion, selling, and bullish divergence, and the flush patterns going on here. So quite a while ago there. But cyclically, we were oversold. That's the red background there. And then as soon as we're breaking above those blue professional bars, bang. So I don't know, the other day I was saying I'm not so keen on silver, prefer the gold chart. So yeah, looks like they're both going to be rallying in tandem. So the 26th level was key for silver, and we're starting to rally there. So good news for the gold bugs. So gold and silver starting to rally. And the Forex markets did not go much further than the little decline that we had, and we've started to see some signals to reverse. So this is the Euro chart kind of down here. We've had blue professional bar kind of spiked down here, and it's held, and we've got cyclically, we're oversold. That red background just coming in with that last bar there, last bar or two, says that we've potentially got a cyclical area of support. It's not come with exhaustion sell at this point, so let's see if it's just a rally back up when the professionals kind of decide to sell it down. But this downtrend for the time being looks like it's going to be caught at these levels. But on the Aussie chart, I think we have had a setup signal kind of going on here. Yep, we have. So Aussie chart, we sell off, blue professional bars coming at the lows, and then they're very keen here to get involved. and they just grab everything in the stack and push it above the trailing stop. We've had exhaustion, sell, bullish divergence. Wasn't a flush pattern down here. But we've seemingly got everything kind of come together. Not all at the same place because the cyclical kind of oversold readings are back here. The bullish divergence is back here. But the professional bars, and we're breaking above the highs of those blue professional bars, kind of come in here. So a couple of bites at this, but this activity is pretty strong with today's activity here. So those Forex markets did not kind of sell off wildly, and it looks like we're going to be caught for the time being. I'll kind of wait and see if we get a little bit of some weakness to enter that Aussie dollar position. But for the time being, keeping my corn and into gold. So we've got a little bit of day off on Monday because of the 4th of July weekend, so it's going to be quiet, and let's see if everybody's going to be talking about the equities markets and jumping in on Tuesday morning to push this even higher and see what the professionals do with that. Anyway, hope your trading is going well.